In this episode of MGUY, we're going to get the R8 ceramic coated. So those of you who are new to my channel, thanks for stopping by. I've got a collection of about 140 videos featuring this gorgeous R8 V10, a crazy Mercedes CL65 with a V12 engine, and a beautiful SL55 with a red interior. It'd be great to have you as a subscriber. Today we're going to get this car paint corrected and ceramic coated. So I've got an event coming up next weekend, which I will tell you more about in a future video. This is a great excuse to get something that I've wanted to do for a while done, and that is to get the paint properly corrected, polished, and then a proper ceramic coating applied. So we're going to go off to my mate Frank over in Lane Cove, who owns Definitive Detailing, to get this work done. Frank, just maybe tell me what you're going to do on the car today.
Yeah, so we will start with a full detail wash. Looking at the car, and then we'll do a clay bar decontamination to remove anything stuck to the top surface. And even though the paint does have quite a severe swirls to it, we'll just be doing the medium paint correction to reduce the swirls by about 50%.
Yep.
The whole car will just be a lot brighter, a lot glossier, and we'll be able to see the flow in the body line.
Oh, okay. Okay, yeah.
The best indicator to use when we are trying to see how well the product is performing is the water repellency effect. What happens when it's wet? Okay. So what we want to see is a very fast water runoff. And then whatever water that is left behind will be in an individual circular shaped water bubbles like this. And that's how we know it's working well.
Okay.
And you can see how much faster it is to dry. So that's what gives us that easier washing, easier drying.
Brilliant. Thank you very much, Frank. That's much
thanks,
appreciated.
Simon. Yeah, not a
Cheers.
problem.
Thanks a lot.
Nice.
So yeah, very happy with the result. I hope you agree it looks absolutely fantastic. Frank always does an amazing job. He did my Maserati Gran Turismo. He also did my Mercedes C63 AMG. He also used to do some amazing glamour shots. Unfortunately, he doesn't do those anymore, but I'll show you what one of them looks like. This was the shot of the Maserati Gran Turismo, and he also did a great shot of the C63. So yeah, unfortunately, he doesn't do that anymore, but it does a great job on the ceramic coating. So thanks very much for watching. I hope you've really enjoyed that video. I hope you found it interesting to see the steps involved in doing this kind of paint correction and ceramic coating. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to smash that like. It'd be great to have you as a subscriber and hit that notification bell. You can follow me on Instagram at mguy.tv or Twitter at mguy_TV, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.